Click on the link below to get price. The large capacity ceiling mounted dehumidifier, with a capacity ranging from 240L/D to 480L/D, stands out as an excellent solution for both commercial and industrial environments. Designed for heavy-duty performance, this dehumidifier addresses the critical need for moisture control in large spaces, ensuring a comfortable and safe atmosphere. One of the most impressive features of this dehumidifier is its robust capacity. With the ability to extract up to 480 liters of moisture per day, it's ideal for warehouses, factories, and other sizable areas prone to humidity issues. This high extraction rate makes it a crucial asset in preventing mold growth, protecting equipment, and maintaining product integrity, particularly in industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and textiles. Installation is straightforward thanks to the ceiling-mounted design. It doesn't take up valuable floor space and is less likely to be obstructed in busy environments. The unit operates quietly, a significant advantage in settings where noise can disrupt productivity. Additionally, it features an intuitive control panel with adjustable humidity settings, allowing users to customize the operation according to their specific needs. Energy efficiency is another highlight of this model. It's built to consume less power while maintaining high performance, translating to lower operational costs. The auto restart feature adds to its convenience, ensuring continuous operation even in case of power failures. Maintenance is simplified with easy-to-access filters that can be cleaned or replaced without hassle. Furthermore, the durable construction is designed to withstand the rigors of industrial use, promising longevity and reliability. In conclusion, the large-capacity ceiling-mounted dehumidifier is a formidable tool for combating humidity in extensive commercial and industrial settings. Its high extraction rate, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features make it an invaluable investment for anyone looking to improve their environment while safeguarding assets.